There is a food that's not only delicious but also has the power to help you lose weight, fight inflammation, and keep you full for hours. It's not a grain, it's a seed. And my friends, that seed is quinoa. The Incas even call it chisaya mama, the mother grain, a sacred food. Manuel Villacorta here, weight loss expert and culinary dietitian. As a Peruvian and someone who's written 2 books on Peruvian superfoods, I can tell you quinoa holds a special place in my heart and in my kitchen. Today, I am finally answering a question many people have been wondering. Quinoa is packed with nutrition, but with its dense texture and higher caloric content, is it actually good for weight loss? Now, here's why quinoa is not just good for weight loss, it's excellent for weight loss. Let's start with fiber. One of the biggest reasons quinoa supports weight loss is its fiber content. Fiber slows digestion, helps control appetite, and supports gut health. And we know now that a healthy gut plays a major role in metabolism and weight regulation. When your gut is happy, your body is more efficient at burning energy and managing cravings. Next, protein. Quinoa is one of the few plant foods that's complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. Now that's key for maintaining lean muscle mass while losing fat. And because protein triggers the release of hormones that tell your brain you're satisfied, you feel full longer. That's the satiety effect. Then there is the anti-inflammatory effect. When your body is inflamed, whether from stress, poor diet, or lack of sleep, it can make weight loss more difficult. The good news, quinoa contains natural anti-inflammatory nutrients that help calm your system and support better metabolic function. Now, this is fascinating. Recent research shows that quinoa is rich in flavonoids, powerful plant compounds that can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Less inflammation means your cells can work efficiently, and that often translates to easier, more sustainable weight loss. Okay, I am a firm believer that I don't care how healthy a food is. If it is not delicious, forget it. And let's be honest, quinoa alone without love can be pretty plain. So to show you how flavorful and satisfying it can be, I am sharing one of my favorite recipes, my Cacao coconut cranberry quinoa breakfast bowl. Now let's get cooking. I start by adding water, cinnamon sticks, cloves, and a pinch of sea salt to a saucepan and bring it to a gentle boil. The aroma fills the kitchen warm, sweet, and comforting. Then I stir in the rinsed quinoa, reduce the heat, and let it simmer until tender and fluffy for about 10 minutes or so. Next, I blend whole milk and cottage cheese until smooth. This is what gives the quinoa its creamy texture and that extra protein boost. I stir in gently and simmer for a few minutes until everything comes together. Once it's warm, but not boiling, I mix the protein powder, followed by unsweetened dry cranberries, shredded coconut, and cacao nibs. The combination gives every bite a balance of texture, flavor, and natural sweetness. Finally, I spoon it into glass jars, about 1.25 cups each, perfect for meal prep. As it cools, it thickens slightly into this creamy, nourishing breakfast that's ready to grab and go. Bottom line, quinoa is excellent for weight loss. It's satisfying, nourishing, and when you prepare it with love, it becomes something you actually look forward to eating. You can find the full recipe of my Cacao coconut cranberry quinoa breakfast bowl on my blog, manuelvillacorta.com. And if you're looking for some support to lose weight, I am here to help. All you need to do is schedule your free 20-minute discovery call with me. We'll talk about your goals, I'll explain how my one-on-one virtual program works, and together we'll find the best path for you. Before you go, tell me in the comments, how are you enjoying quinoa these days? And don't forget to subscribe for more science-based nutrition tips and delicious recipes that make healthy eating exciting. Thanks for watching, and remember, stop dieting, start living.